Hi, this Friday, November 29, please join me for the Black Friday Paint Along event. During this event, we're going to give away a lot of prizes from our sponsors, Hammer Paper, Chip Joe, Rosemary Brushes, and Yeliseyev Studio. There's going to be a lot of prizes, and it's going to be very interesting paint along, where I am going to paint the image which is right behind me. The idea about this paint along is going to be about how to simplify the painting of detail. It is basically about how to paint impression of detail instead of every little detail, which is there is a lot, as you can see behind me. So I hope to see you then.